Hi guys, I'm the Kidsplainer, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a packed lunch. It's really easy with all these compartments that you can put stuff in, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna make our sandwich. It's just gonna be a simple turkey and cheese sandwich. So first, we put the turkey on, and some cheese, and even some more turkey. You can mix it up, you can put whatever condiments you want. I'm just gonna make a simple turkey and cheese sandwich. And to have it so that your sandwich fits in your compartment, you want to cut it. So if you don't feel comfortable with a knife, then you can ask your parents or guardians to do that. I'm gonna cut it into squares. You can do sliders if you want, but I'm gonna do this way. And then you can fit them into your compartment like this. You can mess around on how you fit them in, but so you got some nice small bits of sandwich. Okay, next we're gonna do our vegetables. These carrots are already really small. You can buy them this way. They're really perfect for packed lunches like this. So you just want to take them and line them up like there in your little compartment. As many as you want. Perfect, so that they fit. And there you go. Now onto the fruit. I'm gonna use grapes because they're so simple. You don't need to cut them. All you need to do is wash them. They're so simple to use and they're easy to fit into small spaces. I'm just gonna take them and put them in their spots. I like to wash my grapes because it makes them wash off all the bad stuff on the grapes. And in they go. We've added some healthy things, so I think we've earned some dessert. So I got these cookies here. I'm gonna see how many fit. Like 3, I would say. You want a good dessert that will finish off your lunch. Now that we're done packing our lunch, let's fit it into our lunch bag. So what we're gonna do, just put it into the box, nice and snug, close the lid, and then we put it in the lunch bag, just like this. Once we've done that, we're gonna get some ice packs to keep it cool, put them in between, then zip it up, and you're done. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm the Kidsplainer, and I'll see you next time.